Mga ka-amazing, good day sa lahat ng mga ka-amazing natin all over the world. So, mga ka-amazing, meron po tayong isang napakaganda at napaka-amazing na i-report sa inyo lahat. Na-amaze po ako nung nabasa ko to. Kaya kami sumisipag mag-content, pumunta sa mga iba't ibang country, magpasaya ng mga OFW natin, ng mga kababayan natin all over the world, and mag-create ng charity work, charity game para sa lahat dahil sa mga gantong article. Nakaka-amaze talaga tong article na to. Basahin ko to sa inyo ha. Special shoutout po sa Sunstar Pampanga. This article was written, ginawa po tong article na to Wednesday, September 20, 2023. Kakauwi lang po namin galing New Zealand. Basahin ko po para sa inyo mga ka-amazing, okay? The PBA Moto Club by Sir Noel G. Tulabut. Friendship, camaraderie, total fun. I see these elements whenever I watch PBA Moto Club. Para naglalaro lang sila. But the cast of Rico Meyerhofer, JJ Helterbrand, Mark Pingris totally amuses. From their motorcycle rides to basketball exhibition games. What started for me like a killing time activity is now a regular night habit. And I have been a lot of their episodes. My own family would easily conclude that once inside our bedroom, I am just there watching PBA Moto Club episodes. Which I do actually. From the exhibition games, their rides, their ambush interviews, food trips, shopping sprees, and even their simple conversations. I have seen their 1-month journey to Canada and the 1-week New Zealand trip. Actually 10 days. 11 days, yes. They bring delight not only to their followers and viewers but Filipino communities abroad. It is but commendable that in those foreign trips, they give due recognition to OFWs, honoring the modern day heroes. Funny, unscripted, a lot of episodes bring laughter. How the cast, from being retired pro basketball players, have become instant comedians. I cannot forget one scene where Rico was teased to no end when he said he had tears of joys, when what he actually meant was teary-eyed in saying goodbye to family as he left with the group for Canada. Equally a happy scene to watch Jerin Gaco's haircut by Rico. If I may be clear, funny here means the laughter they bring to viewers like me. Yung kay Jerwin Gaco, totoo kasi talaga. That's my mistake. I apologize to Jerwin, but honest mistake. Friendship. These guys were once arch nemesis on the court. Like Billy Mamaril really slugged it out whenever he played against Mark Pingris. In the many times they fought in Manila Clasico, Ginebra and Pure Foods, tussle were always intense and even physical. But in their retirement, camaraderie is now so evident as they were one New Jersey. Competition has turned into brotherhood. They travel together, eat together, and sleep together. Ginebra factor. Jaworski, Ginebra fan in me is all but delighted that most of the PBA Moto Club members were, at one point or another, member of the most popular ball club not just in the Philippines, but probably in the whole of Asia. That is true. This include mainstay Rico Meyerhofer, Billy Mamaril, Sunday Salvacion, Willie Miller, Cyrus Baguio, KG Caneleta, JC Intal. The last two are all fellow Kapampangans. In some episodes, I got to see Sol Mercado, Ronald Tubid, Jay Reyes, Alan Kaydik. Oh yes, there was one game too that they had Noli Locsin and Baldabid in their lineup. The phrase, once a king, always a king, was mentioned in one episode. Helterbrand is top on the list of former Ginebra stalwart. He played only for the Never Say Die franchise. I remember buying two of his The Good News t-shirt as he used PBA as a platform to profess his faith. I see him lead prayers before and after plays of the new ball club, PBA Moto Club. What a pro! What a testimony. Values. More than sportsmanship, sharing of talent in clinic, brotherhood, and camaraderie, they also share valuable insight on family. They may not have the perfect families on their own, But it is interesting to note their outlook in life, with the family being a priority. For example, Gakko is in the hunt for a wife. But he does show his utmost care and love for his daughters. Aww. In their trip to New Zealand, Rico and Mark brought their own families, where it is nice to note of their participation in the games and fun. With early teen son Mick Pingris show a lot of promise in the 3 points, and Kalel Meyerhofer also, the 10-year-old son of Rico Meyerhofer. Sideswipe. Now that they are no longer playing for any team in the PBA, these boys get to throw some shots at the league where they once ruled over. Rightly so, they share valuable insight which they think could help the league, which is now affected by some controversies on farm teams, migration of players to Japan and Korea, and even the MPBL. PBA, better lend an ear, sabi ni Sir. PBA Moto Club, you are truly amazing. Keep it up. God bless. Mga ka-amazing, ito pong article ni Sir Noel Talabot sa Sunstar Pampanga. Nakaka-amaze po, nakakapagbigay sa amin ng strength. Thank you, sir. We appreciate the article. Mas pagbubutihin pa po namin, mas gagalingan pa po namin. I think ito na po yung way namin as a club. We can be an inspiration to the younger kids, even the adults. This is what we want. This is what we do. Hopefully, tuloy-tuloy po tayo. More projects to come. More charity projects to come. More riding. More learnings. And most important, makatulong tayo sa kapwa natin. Again, on behalf of PBA Moto Club, lahat tayo ay amazing sa mga small things, sa mga ginagawa natin. Lahat ng work included, lahat ng mga tao, lahat ng Pilipino. Iisa po ang ating layunin. Iisa ang tatahakin ng PBA Moto Club, kasama ang lahat ng mga ka-amazing na Pilipino community natin. Lahat po tayo ay magtutulungan. Lahat tayo ay magbibigay inspiration sa isa't isa. Lahat tayo ay maghahatakan, paangat. Ito pong YouTube channel natin, dinevelop natin to para makapagbigay saya, makapagbigay ng aral, makapagbigay ng inspiration. Never po, minsan nagkakamali kami, aminin po namin, napasukan tayo before ng mga toxicity or ng bad vibes. But as what we promise, we will do our best para wala. Content natin ay pampasaya at pampagood vibes lang. Hindi po tayo papatol sa mga nangaaway dahil hindi po magandang gumigising ka sa umaga para lang makipag-away or makapagbigay ng sama ng loob sa kapwa mo. Gagawin natin tong YouTube channel natin pampasaya at pampagana kumain. Again, Sir Noel Talabot, you are amazing. I'm sure ma-appreciate nila JJ, nila Ping, nila Willie Miller. Lahat ng member ng PBA Moto Club itong content na to, itong article ni Sir Noel. Dahil lahat po ng sinabi niyo, Sir Noel, ay totoo. Deep inside our heart na marami pa kaming matutulungan sa future. Marami pa kaming mapapasaya. Yan lang po yung trabaho ko as a PBA Moto Club member, na ibahagi sa inyo lahat ng trip namin, lahat ng kulitan, lahat ng asaran. At the same time, lahat ng kino-comment nyo sa amin, binabasa po namin isa-isa yan. At dyan din po kami kumukuha ng lakas ng loob, ng pampasaya namin, pang content namin. Dyan po kami kumukuha sa comment section nyo kung ano po yung next na i-content namin. Yung mga request nyo, like si Abueva, kung bakit naalis siya, lahat po yan nababasa namin. Sayang si ganto, Kit Jimenez, bakit late? Richard Belches, bakit hindi na-drop? Jaymar Gimpayan, bakit hindi na-drop? Ano po yung masasabi natin sa PBA ngayon? Ano po masasabi sa Philippine Basketball ngayon? Ano po ang mga experience namin sa New Zealand, sa Canada, sa Dubai, sa Bahrain? Lahat po yan, mga ka-amazing. Ini-explore po natin dito sa YouTube channel para kasama rin po kayo sa mga trip namin. Kung asan po ang PBA Moto Club, andun din po kayo. So, sana po patuloy nyo pong suportahan ang PBA Moto Club. Sometimes po, aaminin na po namin, siguro baka magkakamali kami dahil di po kami marunong dito sa YouTube. Pinasok po namin to nang wala po kaming alam, wala pong nagturo sa amin, wala rin pong nag-guide sa amin. So, lahat po to ay genuine. Lahat po to sa mga pag-iisip lang namin mga members at mga usapan namin. Ito pong cup na tinatanong nyo mga ka-amazing sa comment section. Ito po. This is made from the US of A. Ito pong cup na to ay 300 made and the quality is amazing po. Promise po, pag nakakuha ka po nito, hindi na po ulitin tong design na to. 300 pieces lang po. So may probability. If sa future, mga 10 years from now o 5 years from now, pwede nyo ibenta kay Boss Toyo to. Nakabang siya dito. Dahil may number po siya. Pag nabili mo, may certificate and may authenticity and may serial number. So, kung kukolektahin ni Boss Toyo yung 300 pieces na to, so be it. Income po nito will go to our charity work also. Ipunin po namin, pandagdag sa future charity work namin. So, hopefully, support nyo po mga ka-amazing. Laser stitch po siya mga ka-amazing. Kaya pulidong-pulido po. From the inside hanggang sa outside. Alright? So, thank you. Next na event po natin mga ka-amazing ay ang event natin sa Dubai na binuo ni Kit Jimenez na bagong PBA player na. Binuo niya po yung OG Dayo panlaban sa amin. So, of course, sinalo natin yung Mavs Phenomenal team niya before pero wala siya doon. Ngayon, bumuo siya ng team niya. Former Mavs din po yung mga team na ginawa niya. Poy po lumipat sa amin. Ayaw niya doon. Sa mga taga-Dubai po, or Abu Dhabi, or Qatar, or Bahrain, magkakalapit naman po yun di ba? Okay, so mga ka-amazing, ang ticket po for Dubai game ay available sa All the Perks Cafe, Ajurai Mall. Hot Palayok Restaurant sa Al Karama branch. Gold Star sa Al Satswa. Off the Hook Restaurant sa Tourist Club branch Abu Dhabi. Happy Grassland Restaurant sa Harja branch. Jazzville, Coach Roland. Karat World, mga ginto yan mga ka-amazing, sa Jaha. Al Satwa. Okay, so hopefully mga ka-amazing sa Dubai. Isang game lang po tayo sa Dubai. Hopefully magkita-kita tayo dyan. I think dyan na po mapapalaban ng PBA Moto Club. Sa sauna po kasi ako mga ka-amazing. And mahirap palang mag-video sa sauna mga ka-amazing. So, thank you mga ka-amazing sa patuloy na pagsusuporta. And thank you po sa article, Sir Noel Tulabut. Hindi po namin kayo ipapahiya, gagawin po namin yung best namin. Alam ko rin po maraming mga bata na nanonood sa amin. We will do our best to make it more child-friendly mga ka-amazing. Sometimes meron nagsabi magkasama sila ng anak niya nanonood. Meron din mga bata sumisigaw sa amin ng amazing. Ako kasi to be honest, kung hindi ako naging PBA player or kung hindi man ako naging professional basketball player, gusto ko maka-experience makakalaban ng PBA player. And superstar pa, sila Pingris, sila JJ. Gusto ko yung makalaban kung before. Yung po, iniisip ko po yung mga tao na gusto kaming makalaban. I'm sure it's an honor for them na maka-experience kami makalaban inside the court. And yan po yung ibinabahagi namin. Nag-start na po kami kay Mavs, yung mga bata. Ang sabi po nila ni Mavs, sabi ni Coach Mavs, sabi nila Dane, nila Poy Poy, nila Richard, isang karangalan na makalaban yung PBA Moto Club. So doon namin na-develop yan. Sana lumakas pa tayo and sana po lahat ng project na gawin po namin sa PBA Moto Club ay suportahan nyo po. On behalf of the PBA Moto Club, lahat po ng mga members, maraming salamat po sa buhay po natin dito sa mundong kinagagalawan natin. Always stay amazing.
Hey, nabasa mo yung yung article.
Oh bro, galing ng
Si Sir Noel Tulabut. Kita ko, memorize ko na yung
shout out Sir Noel. Ganda ng article na ginawa mo para sa PBA Moto Club. Very sincere and genuine. Tuwang-tuwa kami sa article na yan.
Tsaka totoo lahat ang sinabi niya.
Galing.
Pero na-touch ka sa article niya.
Ganda. Galing. Very accurate pa yung mga sinabi.
Hindi kasi siya, sabi niya doon sa article, siya mismo nanonood. Parang pastime niya na tuwing gabi. So kailangan natin pagbutihin pa.
Natuwa daw siya yung Tears of Joy. kung hindi niyo panood yung episode na yung Tears of Joy. Guys, panoorin niyo, nakakatawa.
Actually, marami pa tayong plano, marami pa tayong mga project, di ba? So hopefully tuloy-tuloy, no? Kasi ako, to be honest naman, if dumating yung point na hindi na tayo panoodin, okay lang din naman. Kasi hobby lang naman natin to eh.
Yun nga sinasabi ko sa lahat ng mga tao, this is just for fun. Hindi naman sa atin, to. Even though we appreciate all the support and love, pag nawala to sa amin, hindi naman yung masisira yung buhay natin. We do this kasi nga, masaya lang.
Hindi natin to job description. Meaning,
Hobby lang talaga, hobby
Oo.
lang, hobby lang.
So, yung hobby namin, sinuport ng mga tao. So, let's go. Let's continue.
Kasi ako napansin ko bro, dami naiinggit. Sinisiraan na tayo. Napansin mo ba?
Oo nga, no? Kumagawa tayo ng content dahil sa comment nila. Hinahanap natin, uy, oo nga, no? Pwede kong tanungin, kunyari, si Gilas. Sabi nila, sir, pwede mag-react kayo dito kay ganto. Kay Abueva, mag-react kayo. Kay Abando, anong masasabi nyo kay Abando? Comment section yun. So, binibring up ko lang sa inyo yung gusto ng mga nanonood sa atin.
Kasi nga, we're doing this
For fun.
for fun lang eh.
Hmm.
Diba? Parang may ma-document lang yung mga camaraderie natin.
Tapos,
mga...
ang priority rin natin, isama yung mga viewers natin sa mga country na pinupuntahan natin. Kasi na-invite po kami mga amazing. Actually, kasama din sa project natin na mapasaya yung mga OFW community natin. Sir Noel Tolabot, you're amazing.
Bro, we appreciate it. Thank you. And Lynn, just want to say good job. We appreciate you as well. Stay amazing.
You appreciate Lib?
Yes, I appreciate it.
Kikiligin na naman. Lib, kikiligin ka na naman. Lagi ka na lang kinikilig pagka minimension ka ni JJ. No? Pansin mo tuwing nag-slow mo yung pag ikaw, nag-i-slow mo. So Lynn, you're amazing.